God be the glory. Okay.
Tapos na?
My topic is all about, in Tagalog form is ungkad. What is the English form of ungkad? The English form of ungkad, it is build. Or it is bring out.
Dave.
Bring out. And this is
Dave.
yeah. Okay. When we say delve or bring out, it is long before it happened. And it is mainly past negative and past positive in the latter part of the Old Testament. And it is in the Old Testament, it is full of protection in the New Testament. And it is happened before, and there is a reflection here in the New Testament. And after the Torah was divided in the Old Testament, there is a major prophet and a minor prophet in the history. And in the history, in the Book of Kings, this is Tagalog, and I was translated into English.
By the help of
And help me to speak in English. Okay. In the Book of Kings and the Book of Chronicles, this is history. And the major prophet it is mentioned in the Book of Ungkad, which is the major prophet in the Old Testament was Isaiah, Ezekiah, Jeremiah. That is the major prophet. And the minor prophet is Obadiah and Nahum. Today, we notice that we are referring in the past, and mainly in the Old Testament, in the history of Book of Kings and Book of Judges and Book of Chronicles was directly lectured in the New Testament. Okay. And the minor prophet.
English. Mag-English ka.
Here is the major prophet and the minor prophet. There is repression in the past until today. Then in the New Testament, it is the pure reflection in the past. It's because of the story and the history written in the Bible. And please take notes that the list of that was mentioned in the past history, which is the major and the minor prophet, is in 2 Timothy 3:8. We notice that Paul, please open the Bible in 2 Timothy 3:8. That is about the saying of Paul. Paul was told about Jannes and Jambres. Now, 2 Timothy 3 verse 8. 2 Timothy 3:8. Now as Jannes and Jambres withstood Moses, so do this also resist the truth, with our wrong minds reprobate concerning the faith. That is the example of what's mentioned by Paul. And of course, in Titus, Jude, and also Cain and Balaam was dealt also in Jude 1:5-11, and also Joshua also have a deal. And of course, in Sodom and Gomorrah also, in the later part of Abraham. and also in 1 Peter 3:6 to 20, and 2 Peter 2:5, and 2 Peter 2:6 to 8. That was the history. That was the history of Ungkab, which is 12. That I mentioned in the Old Testament. In the Old Testament, referring to and reflection to the New Testament. Okay. And in Hebrews 11:1-4, in Hebrews 11:1 till 40, about that is, it is all about the offering of Abel and
That's all?